Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in to the Sweet Bobby presentation of Trader Nerds, where real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. And ladies and gentlemen, we have nerds plenty today. We've got Hugo, we've got Carlos, DB, Darmesh, Dwayne, Edwin, Hal, Jim, John, Matt Jollywally. We got Mike, we got Mo, we got Notional Ed, wow, Hanks, Ricardo, Steve, Stephen, Tim, Tomek, Victor, and Walt. Congratulations, you are all appointed Nerds of the Day. So welcome in. We've got us a healthy sell-off today, which is really good. Now, the thing is, here's what you got to understand. On these sell-offs, and we've not had a 2% sell-off in a while, so it looks like we might get a 2% sell-off today. This is really good for our positions. Really, really good for our positions. All right. So it's just a matter of we want it to go down and everybody just kind of goes slowly down. So these 2% move down days are going to take a toll temporarily on your net lick. But as the passage of time goes, it's going to help because you're going to have some positions that are in the money, and we're going to be approaching those profit traps, the profit tents of those put debit spreads. So nobody panic, nobody puke for positions and say, oh God, I got to get out. It's just a healthy sell off. And why would we have a sell off? We've got assassinations, we got people dropping out of presidential races, we got what else we got? Oh, we just got all kinds. We got bad earnings last night on a couple of companies. We got all kind of things, and so the market is just responding and going down just a little bit. So no big deal. Remember, we did best. Hey Hugo, we did best when we were in the bear market of 2022. So we might have to make some adjustments in our account. We'll see. We'll see how things are going. But the market's down 1.75%. Let's look at the big green monster, see if we can learn anything from there. Oh, wow. Look at this. Big green monster goes down to 55.11. Not surprising. Now we are oversold. We would anticipate spending maybe a little bit of time here, but we would anticipate a return back into these levels. So it says it's overdone. Let's see if it is. And I have now drawn uh, everybody get this? A new little trend lines on the E-minis here on the linear regression. And indeed, we went from consolidation to an up market, right? Everybody sees the up market. And now we are in a downward path. So that's the way that the market goes. Market goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up and down. So I don't think that this doesn't show that it's overdone yet. It shows that it's got some more room to go down, but we'll see how things work out. So just don't puke your positions. That's what we really the big thing I want everybody to do. And it's good that we go through this because some of you, ladies and gentlemen, are very uncomfortable with your positions right now. I've even noticed that during the last few days when the market's been down like this, do you know that our numbers of people who actually join our live Discord group are more? We have more people. And I think it's because people are nervous and you're like, hey, Bob, what should we do? And you're sitting there thinking, oh, I'm going to puke positions. Oh, I'm going to make adjustments. And the best thing to do most times is nothing. Really, it is. So everybody just take a big break. And remember, you and I have a trading plan. And the trading plan is a remarkable plan that tells us what to do in the event of X. So I'm pulling up the trading plan. Here's our trading plan, last modified on my birthday. And it has a list of 10 things that we do. I think it's 9 things that we do. Portfolio adjustments and risk management of things that we do when the market goes against us. At the most granular level, you are to adjust your deltas, thetas, and buying power. And at the most granular level, your responsibility is when the market goes whack is to reduce your buying power, reduce your delta, and reduce your theta. That's what you're really in the most granular way that I can tell you what your responsibility is as a portfolio manager. All right. So let's see how our little account is doing today. So I've already updated it because I left my phone at the gym, so I can't see it. So I had to do it from the computer. So we are at 47,793. We are down $14 from where we were the last time. But look, we have taken it on the chin, y'all. We were down 2,500, we're down 2,000, and now we're down $14 from what we were last Friday. So, but am I puking? Am I sitting here going, oh God, let's go? No. And I don't want y'all to do that either. Okay. So let's see what our Greek term ratios are. So let's go to our account. And our little account here is 249, 212, 249, 212, 249, 212. Whoa, look at that theta. It is whoa. Really up there. Let's see what VIX is. This is why you're hurting. This is why your positions are hurting because you sold options that were the size of an apple. And now all of a sudden VIX has increased and those apples are the size of grapefruits. And you're like, whoa, what happened? It's volatility. So VIX is at 17. Let's put that in. Oh, let me give a shout out. We're going to have a Tom Preston is going to be with us tomorrow from Tasty Trade, and we're going to go over the analysis features in Tasty Trade, which will be really cool, and get his opinion on what we're doing and everything. So it should be good. So if you have questions for him, make sure you bring those tomorrow. Also, I want to give a shout out to the Shovel, who is a member of our Discord. He said, give him a shout out. And I said that it's good. So he goes, he is the latest rankings are out in the U.S. Investment Championship contest. He's ranked 19th in this whole little thing with a year-to-date return of 14.3%. He said, give the shout out to the Shovel on the TV show. So good. So he's number 19 in that. So very excited for Shovel. He's done really well. All right. So let's see what our buying power is. So to do that, remember we got to go to cap requirement and we go to this little thing right here. Oh man, don't make me log back in. All right, so we are at cap requirement. We are at 27,706. That's probably about a little over 50%. 27,706. 27,706. So we're at 57%. So all my numbers are elevated, right? So negative 177 there. So let's see if any of our positions are indeed 30 delta or more, because that's when we start rolling them out, right? So everything's a little elevated. Let's see if there's anything that we need to do. So what I'll do, and first of all, see if there's anything that says that it needs to be closed. Auto close signal, looking there. And I see this, a short hedge. Oh boy, this is going to hurt. With only 9 days left in the trade, BSH 12, the 3900s. Wow, let's see, 3900s. Do I close those or not? BSH 12, let's see if we can find them. BSH 12. Let's see here. Positions, BSH 12. There's BSH 16 and 17. BSH 13. I don't have it here. So this is, let's see if we can find it. May have already closed it. This is with 9 days to go for 3,900 puts. 3,900 puts with 6 days to go. Let's see. Long. I bet I've already taken them off with 9 days to go. That's the only thing I've got is the longs 9 days to go. Huh. See if we got anything else. Nope. I must have already taken those off. 9 days to go. See if I got anything with 9 days to go. Nope. Make sure I'm in the right account. Hasty trade. That's the account. All right. I want to assume that I took these off at 20 cents. Let's just do that. I must have already taken them off and just didn't put them in. So we'll say we took them off today. So it's 7/24, 24. There. All right, good. So nothing else says that I need to take it off. But let's see if we've got any positions that we could take off. Let's see, naked put. Let's say I've taken off most of my naked puts. So PDS, I bet I don't have any that are profitable. Naked put 19. We just put that on the 10th. You know that's not profitable. Yeah, that is great, isn't it, Matt Jolly Wally? Shovel's doing good. He's representing the trader nerds very, very well. Shovel, very talented trader. All right, so let's see. And here's the best way I know to see if anything is hurt or not, is just to go to the trade tab, and most of our 111s are in the macros. And let's just go here and let's look and see if anything's wrong here. So let's go to trade. Where do I have positions? Okay, I've got positions in the macros at 23 days. Let's see if we got a 111 in here or what we've got. There's a put debit spread, right? And there's another put debit spread. And there's another put debit spread. And another put debit spread. And then another put debit spread. And no naked puts, y'all. Look at that. No naked puts in 23 days. Good. That's the way we like it. Let's go to 57 days. And let's see if we see any put debit spreads here. There's a put debit spread. There's put debit spreads. There's a put debit spreads. There's a put debit spread. And look at this, y'all. See, we've already closed these. Isn't that great? Isn't this great? Portfolio management is awesome. That's 57 days to go. Let's go to this 58 day. See what we got here. So put debit spread, put debit spread, put debit spread, put debit spread, and nothing. Good. 58 days. We've got them all cleared out. Let's go to 86 days. There's a put debit spread. Is that all I got here? Look at that. We've got it everything cleared to 86 days, y'all. This is really good. Let's go to 114 days, and that's my last one, y'all. 114. All right. Now, look at this, y'all. We've got put debit spreads in the money, baby. Look at this. Isn't that great? So we've got those in the money. This one is what? Partly in the money. We got another put debit spread, and then we've got naked puts, naked puts, naked puts. Now, let's go to our plan, and let's see what the plan says on the naked puts. The naked puts, expiration. It is permissible to close the naked puts at a loss equal to 2 times the initial credit received, or if it becomes a 30 delta or higher, this permission is granted to put it into a problem child status. Well, let's see if we're 30 delta or not. We're at 18 delta. We're at 16 delta. We're at 13 delta. Y'all, there's nothing to do here. There's literally nothing to do here. Now, let's see what we could close this thing for here. Let's see if we could close. Let's see if we were to, let's see, how do you do that? We would sell that one. And we would buy that one. And let's see, that would be for 3 of them. 2, 3 of them for 405. No, I don't want to sell that one. I want to buy that one. Sorry. Sell that one and buy that one. Okay, for 23.25. That would be a $348 credit. So this one is getting to a point that you're sitting there saying, you know, it might be worth taking this off, right? Because the maximum thing that this is, let's see, the multiplier for this is what? 50? Isn't that right?
5.
5. Multiplier is 5. So what's our maximum profit there, Hal?
I think it's 250 per
It's 250, right?
per tranche. So what you get, $750?
Mm-hmm. So, you know, this is getting to a point that you say, you know, maybe after a while we can close this thing and just take our profits. So what we actually hope that happens is we want price to continually keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, and just encompass all of these things. And we want to keep our things here safe. But until we get to a 30 delta or 2x loss, there's no reason doing anything with these. It's just leave them. Just leave them. So here's what a lot of y'all are going to do today. Oh my God, I got to sell futures. Market's down 2%. Oh my God, I got to do this. I got to do that. And really, the most important thing is follow your plan and really do nothing. You saw that I've already closed all of my naked puts. I've only got 9 naked puts. You know where my risk is coming from? Remember, dumb Bobby put on 33 short puts of a black swan hedge. That's what I did. Let's look at my ES positions. This is where old Bobby messed up. Be careful people that speak about themselves in the third person. I'm one of them. All right, so let's see. Where have we done it at? Right here. Where have I got those 33 puts at? Way down here, though. Look at this. Look at there. There's a hedge. Okay, there's a hedge at 57 days. Let's see. 58 days. Let's go to 68 days. I bet that's where I've got the 33 puts. Yeah, look at that. They have swole to 5.15. I sold them $3. But yeah, still look, y'all. There's 2%, 2 delta. So it's not like I got to go, oh God, I got to get out of these. No, you just got to be able to hold them. You got to be able to hold them. So I think I'm good today. I think I don't need to do anything today. I think I just need to just take a deep breath and take a deep breath. And that's what I want all you to do. Take a deep breath and do nothing. Anyone got any questions on your accounts? Anything that's going on with y'all?
Yeah, Bobby, how much buying power do those 33 contracts use? Looks like $1,200 per contract.
Yeah. So let me change this to 33. $40,000. Yeah. Now I could close them, but I just don't think I need to. They're 2 delta. I think everything's fine.
I think part of that's offset by your existing longs and your other hedges.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think I'm good. I just put on too many of these. That's what I did, Hal. I just put on too many. I should have, and I didn't know how to use the analyze tab or never thought about using the analyze tab correctly. So now that we know how to do it, I think we're much better off. But I think in this current environment, let's just do nothing. Take a deep breath and do nothing.
In your spreadsheets, what's your ratio of longs to shorts?
Let's see what that is. Not good. Not good at all. 99 shorts, 115 longs. This should be much less. Much less. And that's an error on my part. That's an error on my part. But I think what will happen is that things will subside, everything will be good. If not, then I'm going to have to go into the futures market to be able to hold these positions. But I don't think today is the day. I don't think today is the day. I think we're fine. So I just hope that everybody, all of you guys are not, puking positions. God, geez, now we got 33 people in here today. That's like a record, y'all. And everybody's here because you're like freaking out. Like, what should we do? And most of the time it's nothing. Follow the plan. Now, we can lose money, but if we lose money following the plan, hey, the market got us. But I'm just going to follow the plan. I think the plan is just hold them, Bobby. Just wait. All right, guys, great session today. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't forget, Tom Preston will be with us tomorrow at noon Eastern time, and we will see y'all later.